16, 17, and 18 again are some word problems. Want you to do them without using your calculator. It says the computer hardware company purchased new equipment that cost $10,560, including finance charges. The firm will pay for the equipment over the next 33 months. What is the amount of each monthly payment? So I know the total. I've got to divide it up into 33 payments. So again, I'm going to divide on this one. I'm going to make 33 payments, $10,560. So when I'm dividing, I start and say, well, 33 doesn't go into 1, 33 doesn't go into 10. How many times does 33 go into 105? So I think about 3 going into 10 9 times. And so I'm going to try the 9, and if I have to change it, I will. 9 times 3 is 27, and 9 times 3 is... Try that again. I don't know what I'm thinking there. Start that one over. So the computer hardware company purchased new equipment that cost $10,560, including finance charges. The firm will pay for the equipment over the next 33 months. What is the amount of each monthly payment? They don't want you to use a calculator. So I have to take my total cost and divide it into 33 payments. So I'm going to take 33 and divide it into 10,560. Now 33 doesn't go into 1 and it doesn't go into 10, so I'm taking 33 into 105. How many times does 33 go into 105? Well, 3 goes into 10 about 3 times. 3 times 3 is 9, so I'm going to check that out. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 3 is 9. So 33 times 3 is 99. I'm then going to go ahead and subtract. Can't take 5 or 9 away from 5, so I have to borrow and make that a 9 and make that 15. So 105 minus 99 is going to be 6, and I bring down my next 6. 33 goes into 66 2 times. 2 goes into times 33 is 66. I get a remainder of 0, but I still have that 0. 33 goes into 0 0 times, so don't forget to put that in there. So 33 into 10,560 is 320 times. And if you wanted to check that out, you would take 320 times the 33 payments, which is the 10,560, right? I just do the opposite and take my quotient, which is my answer, times my divisor to see if I get that amount of money I started with. 320 times 33, sure enough, is 10,560. All right, last two on here, 17 and 18. It says, 3 years ago, Alice Sanchez formed a partnership with 5 friends and agreed to share profits and losses equally. This year, the partnership made a profit of $57,318. What is each partner's share of the year's profit? So, we have Alice and we have 5 friends, so we would have a total of 6 people that need to share the profit. I'm going to go ahead and write number 17 down here so I have room to divide. And so I'm going to take 6 and divide it into 57,318. So then we're just going to go ahead and do our long division. 6 doesn't go into 5. 6 goes into 57. 9 times 6 is 54. Bring down my 3 and then bring down my other 3. 6 goes into 33. 5 times 6 is 30. Get a 3 again. Bring down my 1. 6 goes into 31. 5 times 6 again is 30. Bring down my 1. Bring down my 8. 6 goes into 18 3 times, so it goes in there evenly, and so each partner's share of the year's profit would be $9,553. Number 18, it says, during the week of March 26, John Jenkins completed 7 sales that totaled $48,664. What was the average dollar amount of each sale? Do not use a calculator. Hint, the average is found by dividing the total sales by the number of individual sales transactions. So, Number 18, we had 7 sales. We made $48,664, so we're just going to go ahead again and do our long division. 7 goes into 48. 7 times 6 is 42. So we have a 6 and bring down our 6. 7 into 66. Well, 7 times 9 is 63. So we have a 3 and bring down our 6. 7 dividing into 36. 7 times 5 is 35. So we have a 1. We bring down our 4. And then 7 goes into 14. 2 times 7 is 14. We got a 0 for our remainder. So the average dollar amount of each sale was $6,952. So just doing some long division by our whole numbers, just make sure on 17 here we had Alice and her 5 friends that we ended up having to divide by 6 total people.